This is Captain Ross again with our Aids to Navigation video, part 3. So, just to kind of review what we learned in part 2, lateral systems define the navigable channel. So if you can watch my cursor here on the screen, I'm coming in from sea. I've got red on the right side of my boat, or starboard side, green on the left or port. I'm coming up the channel. I'm going to take this green down my port side, go through this gated pair here, red on my starboard side, green on my port side, and so on as I go up the channel. Notice how it begins with 1 and 2. The lower numbers are at the beginning of the channel, outside the inlet. Then 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Those are the lateral marks, red and green. Green, odd numbered, red, even numbered. All right, next we're going to talk about preferred channel marks. These have a couple different names and can get a little bit confusing. Preferred channel mark, they're also called junction or bifurcation buoys. You'll hear them commonly called junction buoys. So these can either be, or these are always, red and green, horizontally striped or banded. We're going to use the top color as our preferred channel marker. The shape, it'll be the same shape as the preferred channel. So if it's an unlit junction and it's red, the top color is red, it's going to be nun shaped. If it's green, the top or the buoy is going to be can shaped. So these have a letter, not a number. So you're not going to see preferred channel marks or junction buoys numbered. They're always going to have letters. So the light, if it has a light on it, is going to be the same color as the uppermost band. So in this example here, it's red, the upper band, and the light is red. These always flash if they're lit with the same characteristic, and it's a group flashing 2+1 every 6 seconds. So every 6 seconds, in this case of this buoy right here, you're going to see 2 flashes of red, a pause, 1 flash of red, and then a 6-second pause. And then 2 flashes of red, pause, 1 flash of red, 6-second pause. That's how it flashes. Group flashing 2+1. You'll only see group flashing 2+1 on preferred channel marks, junctions, or bifurcations. They all three are the same thing. So a junction, 2 channels join to form 1 channel. Bifurcation, 1 channel splits to form 2 channels. Crossing, 1 channel crosses another channel. So each of these, the top or preferred color is green. So these are all port side markers when returning from sea. The secondary channel, we're going to use this like it's a red or a starboard side mark returning from sea. Remember, red, right, returning from sea. All right, so here's an example of us coming in. So we're coming in from sea here. We have 2 channels, one that goes off to the left here and one that goes off to the right. Right here in front of this island is our junction. Bifurcation, because this is 1 channel splitting into 2. So we're going to come up, and depending on which direction we want to go, if we want to go to the channel on the left, in this case that's the preferred channel, so we're going to use this marker just like it's a red and keep it off our starboard side as we go in. If we're coming in and we want to go down the secondary channel, we're going to use the secondary color, which is green, and we'll keep this to our port side as we go to the channel on the right. This concludes ATON Part 3.